Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is the Hive Divider. So my friend Mark, he had a little bit of a high quality problem this year. He only built 2 hives, but he ended up with 4 colonies. He split his first package, and that worked great. He's got 2 colonies from the first package, and then he managed to catch 2 swarms. But it still leaves a problem of where these bees are going for the winter. Mark and I had a little discussion about the best way to divide this hive, and what we decided was a 2x10 will work great. It's the same width as the frames. We'll put it right in the middle of this hive, the same height as the frames, and there won't be any gaps for the bees to go from one side to the other. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Take a look at this hive divider and show you what we're talking about. Let's take a look in here. What's that? Yeah, I put a wisp across the front. As you can see, he's already got a number of frames in here from the first colony. And take a look at the divider right there. One of the things we do have in this hive is a frame with a feeder hole in it. So we're going to go ahead and get that covered up. It's my bee whisperer secret. We just covered up the feeder hole with a little piece of wood so the bees can't come up on top. These 2x10s are held in with screws from the outside, and they come just about up to the top of the frames. All right, so now we can put this one right up here. The drill. Screwdriver. I know where it is. Ready? Yeah. Don't lose those. Stainless. Ants. It's always a favorite. Flying ants? Really?
Yeah, see, we got the wings. I got a brush.
Yeah, brush them off. Nice full of nectar. I don't think you need that, they're fine. This next one looks pretty good. Actually, we should probably keep these on this side over here. It's pretty good. It's turning all into honey. There's some brood in there, but mostly honey. This one looks good.
Body camera on.
Yeah. The point of view. Whisper. These are just slightly off. I think what the best course of action is. Just do it for this year, and you'll have to throw them or scrap them or fix them next year, one or the other. See, they got a little bit off right there, and then all of them are off right there, and you got an extra piece comb on this side here. Yeah, we probably should, but I'm gonna put it between probably have this one screwed up too, but they're probably going to need it for the winter. So,
Left top.
well, I was just thinking that you'll have more room for the insulation without the.
Killed my bee.
More room for the insulation on top. There's that. These guys here are gonna have to just find their way in. And I'm gonna put the top on. That's it. That's all you can do. Well, thanks for watching these videos. We took a look at the divider hive today, and if you like that, hit the thumbs up button. Also, if you have a great idea for a video, why don't you put it in the comments and I'll take a look at it. I'm B-Boy Bill, and thanks for watching.